Hey guys, so crypto right now is crashing as you already saw in the charts. Bitcoin is at 59,000 and I just want to share one alpha on how you can make some money while crypto is in a bear market or crashing. So the first thing you do, you go on this website called CryptoRank and you will see all the projects that have raised millions and millions of dollars. For example, today you can see many projects. Yesterday, 2 days ago, 3 days, basically every day there are projects raising millions of dollars. And what this means is that as they raise more money, they will be spending this money for marketing, for new employees, hiring developers, hiring basically everything. That's how they are using their funds. So you go on this website, you see project raising millions of dollars, and after you decide the project you like, you can write an email. If you are a content creator like me, you can contact them, just offer some promotion, paid promotions, of course. You can apply for a job if you want to work in crypto space. And there are many projects that have been building for the last few years through the bear market, like Base, Linea, Scroll, ZK Sync, Layer Zero. All these projects have been hiring and basically marketing their projects throughout the bear market. So that's why this is a great tool that I'm using myself, and I am already getting some good results with creating content because I'm a content creator, getting some deals while we are still in a I would call it bear market stagnation. We are not in a bear market, but in stagnation because Bitcoin is going sideways. And yeah, that's just my quick advice for today. If you are willing to work in the crypto space, I would recommend you to use this tool and just find some good projects that you are willing to work for. There are some free positions that are hiring. So that's my advice. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.